Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you and review my new favorite case that I plan to get personally with every Samsung launch, and that is the MagBak Elite case. Now, it's not only for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can get it for several models for Samsung, Apple, and Google, for example. But this right here comes with a premium case. It also comes with a premium tempered glass screen protector. So this is a 9H hardness tempered glass screen protector that also comes with its own installation tool. So this right here, this box, holds not only the case, but it's also the installation tool for that tempered glass. You just place your phone on the inside. Once it's all lined up, you clean it all off, and then you take the pull tab, and as you take it out of the pull tab from this case, then you close it. Once it's all secure, then that is where you're able to fully pull that little tab, and then it just auto adheres. Now, when I first put the tempered glass on my phone, there was a little bit of bubbles that was towards the bottom on the corners, and I think maybe one towards the top, but all of that had gone away within the first 24 hours. So this is a perfect adhered 9H hardness tempered glass. You also have customizable accents. So this grip right here, your side key button, the volume, your finger loop right here, which holds very well. And also on the very bottom, this is actually your pinky pillow. So this right here, it's thick enough that it is basically a pillow, and it makes it super comfortable when you hold on to it, especially if you are using the finger loop on the back. And also too, when you put on your tempered glass, you will notice that you will have to just delete your fingerprints and then just re-add them back in. So that's just one little thing that you need to know. On the back over here, there is a kickstand. So then this way you'd be able to have it sit two different ways. You can have it sit like this, or you can also have it just sit upright and pointing directly at you. Now, not only all of that, but it's also MagSafe compatible. So if you have anything that is MagSafe, you just snap it onto the back. You'd also be able to use this little wallet right here. So this is the MagBak wallet that also has a little finger loop right here. This is leather. Again, this thing does not fall off. There's actually a lot of magnets. It's kind of going around right here, then also right here, and then I believe there's also some below as well. You also get a little piece of a magnet strip that is inside of this case right here, so you can place it, let's say, inside of your vehicle. And then this way you'd be able to either put it horizontally, vertically. You can put it towards the top or middle of the phone, or you can even put it towards the bottom of the phone, and it holds very well. So as I talked about from before, there is different accented colors, and that is what I have right over here. So originally this case comes with black, and so it's pretty much black on black. So I do plan on using this red accent over here for a while, just because black and red is my color on YouTube. This one right here is a light gray. And it also looks really good. So I know at some point in time I plan to use this. And when you put all of these into your case itself, obviously you just take your phone out and then you just go and you align all of these different pieces. So I would probably put in your grippage first. So the grips on the left, the grips on the right. Then I would suggest putting in your pinky pillow on the bottom and also the back. And then just save your volume button and power button or the side key for last, because I actually put in my volume buttons and the side key first. And then as I was pushing in my grips on the side, these were kind of falling out. But once they are in, and it all aligns perfect and it all feels really good. So that's most of the selling points of this one, is that you will have that 9H hardness tempered glass that's right here, and it feels really good to the touch. You also will have your colored accents on the sides that you can interchange with whatever color that you would like. You have your finger loop in the back that is very nice to use. You also have your pinky pillow on the very bottom. You also have your kickstand on the back that you can put it horizontally or vertically, and then everything that is MagSafe compatible. So going beyond that, I would have to state that this case feels really nice. It's really nice to hold on to. It doesn't feel plasticky. I can't really explain it, but for some reason it just feels good. It's not rubbery. Pretty much this right here, the grippage is what's supposed to be rubbery, so you have a good hold, and that's exactly what it is. All of the accessories that comes with this, especially with this little MagBak wallet, I do have my driver's license and credit card that's on the inside of here. It says that you can hold anywhere between 2 or 3 cards. Right now I'm only using 2. And for transparency reasons, this is a paid review, but it is the fee just to be shown on the channel, not for me to create an ad for them or say what they want me to say or not say. And also, this is just going up without any approval or changes. So this is just a regular, honest review. And honestly, this one did win me over. There is a lot of high praises with this case, and I'm not going to lie, I haven't found anything that is negative with this case. I mean, you're able to customize your accents. It has the drop protection that you need. It has all the functionalities that I'm looking for. It has a pinky pillow. So there's a lot of really cool, unique features that this case has that others don't. Also, the tempered glass, it's something that's not cheap. It's a 9H hardness tempered glass and an easy tool to install. So I never had any problems with it. Now, because MagBak and I teamed up for this video to be shown on this channel, and again, they won me over with this case. The good news is that I also have a link below the video inside the description with also a discount code for 15%. So if you click the link below the video inside the description and the pinned comment, and then you use the discount code Jimmy15, you will save 15% on your order. Now, because we are talking about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and it does have a S Pen, you might be wondering, what about the interference with the S Pen with all the magnets and metal and everything like that? So when you just use the phone as normal, or even if you just attach this to, let's say, a weight machine, or you put it onto a microwave or refrigerator or your vehicle or a metal door, anything like that, there is zero interference because between the phone and the back of the case, where the back of the case is where the magnets are at, there is a layer of magnetic shield that this way you would have zero interference. And I will show you when you will get the interference, and that'll be here in just a second. But just to show you right now, let's go inside of notes. And if I was to draw anywhere and everywhere, there's absolutely no problems. Also, let's say that we take my wireless charger right here. It is MagSafed onto the back and it was a circle, so there should be something in the middle or a little bit of a roundness. So there is a little bit of interference in pretty much one spot, and it's actually not even really that bad. So when you are using MagSafe type of compatibility things, that is where you'll run into some problems. Now, the one that you'll run into the most problem is probably just this one right here. And that is because this one has a bunch of magnets that is built on the inside. So it's not gonna work everywhere and there should be some interference somewhere. So you can see that I'm getting some interference right here and right here. And that's probably because most of the magnet of what is being worked on or touched on is right there. So again, if I go like this is where you'll have the interference. And then up over here, then there is absolutely nothing, which, you know, it makes a lot of sense because you are just having metal and magnets just going crazy like this, right? Because this right here itself has magnets that is built in and it's all just going together super hard. But as I showed from before, if you put this onto something that's just only metal and nothing that is, magnet. So if I put it, again, like I said, on, let's say, a weight machine, I'm still able to fully use it without any interference. The same thing goes for refrigerators, microwaves, and just anything that you can think of that is metal. We even have a door that is metal as well. And it's so strong that I try to hit it from the top pretty much as hard as I can to knock it down, and it barely ever moves. So I went to the MagBak website really quick just to show you. You can get it for several different models, not only just the Galaxy S25. As you scroll on down, this is where you have your accent color packs. You have red, you have light blue, light gray, pink, yellow, and orange. So I went with that red and light gray. It itself comes with black, so you can just keep it all black if you would like. You can also add a lens protector, so that would be for the back. Here is that MagBak wallet that I was showing off. You can also get extra mag sticks. So again, this is what I was using in the Jeep. So this way I can hold my phone either towards the middle or the very bottom. There is a wrist wrap or strap. And then you also get that screen protector with install tool, which comes for free. And it's super easy to put on. It was my first time ever working with this, and it was a super easy experience. So scrolling down to make sure I didn't forget anything, I'm pretty sure I covered everything. You got the integrated kickstand that goes both ways. You got your finger loop. This video right here, I will tell you, they make it look super easy to change out all those customizable colors. It does actually take a little bit. So it's not as easy as what they show right here. It takes a couple minutes, but I'm sure if I do it again, I would probably do it a little bit better. And again, you have your S Pen support, all of the MagSafe compatibility stuff. And then down here, we're talking a little bit about protection. So it has that like air cushioned corners. This drop right here was from over 6 feet. And so yeah, there's a lot of reviews if you would also like to take a look at it as well. So that right there was pretty much my argument of why this one is my new favorite case that I will actually use probably with every launch after this. You have a tempered glass that is super easy to put on. You have customizable accent colors. I mean, this whole thing is just functional. You have a nice premium case. You have your finger loop right here that I've had zero issues with. You have your little pinky pillow on the bottom. You have your kickstand. It is also MagSafe, you know, compatible, so I can do anything with charging or even with this little wallet that I have there. So yeah, this right here is going to be my new case from here on out. And out of all of the reviews that I've done, even the ones as simple as a phone case, this is the first and only one that I've ever found that I don't have any improvement feedback for them. When it comes down to the usability of the case, when it comes down to the install of the screen, when it comes down to just all the functionalities that this case has, there is really no room for improvement that I can really think of. I'm sure that their R&D department will be able to find something, but for me as a regular everyday user, there's nothing that I have as a feedback where there should be improvement. Like by far, it is my favorite case that I have ever used just because of everything that I showed off in this video. So hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.